drug solution is minus 0.52 degrees Celsius, such solution possesses same osmotic pressure as that of the blood. This temperature also corresponds to the freezing point of 0.90% of NaCl solution, which is therefore considered to be isotonic with both blood and lacrimal fluid. Then next we see the calculating tonicity using LISO values. Since the freezing point depression for solutions of electrolytes of both weak and strong types are always greater than calculated from the equation delta Tf is equal to Kfc. To overcome this, a new factor L is equal to its Kf is introduced and delta Tf is equal to Lc, where I is Van 't Hoff factor and Kf it depends on nature of solvent. L value can be obtained from the freezing point. Lowering of solutions of representative compounds of a given ionic type at a concentration C, that is isotonic with body fluids. This specific value of L is written as LAS. For example, LAS of NaCl 0.9%. So 0.9% NaCl has depression in freezing point of 0.52 degrees Celsius and is thus isotonic to body fluids, and 0.9% of NaCl is equal to 0.154 mole m. So delta Tf is equal to LISO into C, 0.52 LISO into 0.154, then LISO is equal to 0.52 upon 0.54, it is equal to 3.4. Then we see the average LISO values for various ionic types. The first type is non-electrolyte. The LISO value is 1.9 and the examples are sucrose, glycerin, urea and camphor. The next type is weak electrolyte and the LISO value is 2 and the examples are boric acid and cocaine. The next is divalent electrolytes. The LISO value for divalent electrolytes is 2 and the examples are MgSO4 and ZnSO4. And the last is univalent electrolyte and the LISO value for univalent electrolyte is 3.4 and the examples are NaCl and sodium phenobarbital. Then next we see the methods of adjusting tonicity and pH. The several methods can be used to calculate the quantity of sodium chloride, dextrose and other substances that may be added to solution of drugs to render them isotonic. The methods are divided into two classes. Class 1 cryoscopic method and B sodium chloride equivalent method. Class 2 White Vincent method and Sproul's method. The first one is cryoscopic method or freezing point depression method. In that the body fluid such as blood plasma and lacrimal secretion having a freezing point of minus 0.52 degrees Celsius by virtue of the different solutes present in them. Hence, all solutions which freezes at minus 0.52 degrees Celsius will be isotonic with these fluids. Depression in freezing point being an additive property. The following formula is used for the calculating of quantity of substance required to make the solution isotonic with physiological fluids, and the formula is percent weight by volume of adjusting substance is equal to 0.52 minus A upon B, where A represents the depression in freezing point due to unadjusted solution or substance, and the B represent the depression in freezing point of 1% of weight by volume of adjusting substance. Then next we see the sodium chloride equivalent method. This was given by Millian and Selzer. This is also called tonicity equivalent. The sodium chloride equivalent of a drug is the amount of sodium chloride that is equivalent to, that means it has same osmotic effect as 1 gram of or other weight unit of the drug. That means has same osmotic effect or as 1 gram or other weight unit of the drug, and it is represented by E. E value can be calculated for number of drugs. It can be calculated from LISO or freezing point depression value. For solution containing 1 gram of drug in 100 ml or 1 liter of solution, the molar concentration is C is equal to 1 gram upon mWx1. Therefore, T delta Tf is equal to LISO 1 gram upon mWx1. Now, E is the weight of NaCl with same freezing point depression of 1 gram of the drug, and for NaCl solution containing E grams of drug per 100 per 1000 ml. Therefore, delta Tf is equal to 3.4 E 58.45 bracket LISO of NaCl is equal to 3.4. Therefore, LISO 1 gram upon mWx1 is equal to 3.4 E 58.45. Therefore, E is equal to 17x LISO upon mW. So, here and the next method is Sproul's method. This is a simplified method of Vint and Vincent and was introduced by Sproul. He recognized that the equation V is equal to W into E into 111, that means 111. The equation is V is equal to W into E into 111 could be used to construct a table of value of V. Then the drug was arbitrarily fixed. Sproul chose that weight to be 0.3 gram. Hence, the volume V of isotonic solution that can be prepared by mixing 0.3 gram of a drug with sufficient water can be computed for drugs commonly used in ophthalmic and parenteral preparation. And the Vincent method is this method involves adding of sufficient quantity of water to the drug to make an isotonic solution. Then addition of an isotonic or isotonic buffered solution is added to the drug solution to give final volume. In this way, we end this chapter. In this way, the end of this chapter. In this chapter, we see the buffer solutions and various equations and isotonic pH and various methods like Vincent method, Sproul's method, and also we see the various methods of adjusting tonicity and pH, and also LISO values, and also isotonicity and solubility and application of buffers and what is buffer system. So, and also what the uses of buffers in pharmaceutical industry and how the pharmaceutical buffer solution is prepared, we study in this buffer solution buffer system chapter. So, hope you like this chapter, buffer solution and buffer system. If you like this chapter, please comment on comment section and please share this video to your friends, and also for competitive exam preparation to students like GPAT aspirants and CET aspirants. Hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching our lecture. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Drug solution is minus 0.52 degrees Celsius. Such solution possesses same osmotic pressure as that of the blood.